Alright, I want to show you guys how well these markers work. I just love to doodle and draw. I'm not good at it, however, it's just like a very good stress relief. So I did another video just to kind of talk about like the colors and things. But these are the dual tip markers. So on this side it's the brush tip, and then this side, which I'll show you in a moment, is the fine tip. Personally, I love the brush tip. I think it's just so satisfying to like work with. Sorry, I'm drawing with one hand, so it's kind of hard. But like, look how pretty. I'm just obviously doing like grass and stuff, but it works really well. It gives it that acrylic finish with like, almost looks like paint in a way. But it's so beautiful. Look at all the color options. They have such fun colors. I'm just making a little sun with some flowers. Let me show you like a pink. This one's really pretty. So here's the fine tip. This is what the fine tip looks like. I'll try and draw a little flower. And these ones really work well too. They are so forgiving, so easy to work with. I am a very messy colorer, but it comes off really easily. And the thing that I love is it doesn't smudge very easy. Like I did that, 10 seconds ago, and it's already dry. So even though they resemble like paint, they're so pretty and easy to work with. But this brand actually sent them to me and I love them. These are the markers that I reach for. They're so fun, they're so colorful, and they're amazing quality. The one that I have is a 24 pack. I think they come in other packs as well, but I'm obsessed.